गोय विद्यापीठाचें मुल्यांकन दिवपाक गोय सरकार पुरायपणान जबाबदार आसा। गोय विद्यापीठाक प्राध्यापकांची भरती तांच्या शैक्षणिक पात्रतायेचेर न्ही जाल्यार सरकाराच्या वशिल्यार जाता असो आरोप नौशाद चौधरी हांणी केला। मुख्यमंत्री दोतोर प्रमोद सावंत हांच्या अध्यक्षताये खाला शिक्षण तज्ञांची खासा समिती मुख्यमंत्र्यान 30 एप्रिला मेरेन स्थापन केली ना जाल्यार NSUI आंदोलन करतले अशी शिटकावणी LSUI संघटनेन अध्यक्ष हांणी नौशाद चौधरी सरकाराक दिल्या।
Pramod Sawant need to come out with a clear plan. What is his plan as a education minister, and director of higher education should come out with a clear plan. What is his plan to revive the status of Goa University? Today I am demanding from this insensitive chief minister. Why I am saying insensitive? Because Sangta, he is an education minister, but he is a part-time education minister. We need a full-time education minister who can give full attendance to the problem what students are facing and what university is facing. We need a full-time education minister who will solve this problem, and we demand that a high-level committee should be constituted. It should be headed by chief minister and the topmost educationists, the retired astelada and who are teaching topmost educationists to revive the status of Goa University.